We're here today to get some parts, some goodies for the Camaro, get it running.
Pick up some parts.
Yeah.
We got it.
Alright.
You'll pay her, and then I just pull around to the corner. Go back there, I have you load all what we have up.
Just got home with a car full of goodies from the dealership, and of course it's raining, but let's unload and see what we got. One genuine fender. We had to take it out of box because there's no way it's going to fit in the car, and this bad boy is going to go inside the house so nothing happens to it. Oh, look at that. Before we go any further, here's how you know it's real deal. Check out. God, I'm trying not to hurt this thing. Check out the GM sticker. Woohoo! Let's see what we got. So this is the brace that goes right up here. The 50 badge for the grill, or not the grill, for the fender. All right. This is the duct that goes behind the daytime running lights. This is the duct that goes behind the auxiliary radiator. Alright, that's the metal bar brace that goes in front of the radiator. Let's see what else we got here. Woo! Look at that. One pair of horns. Important. In case you see a nice looking woman, in case somebody pulls out in front of you, you need to be like, hey, wow, this is wow, they taped that thing. Okay, the side marker light. Definitely won't need that for a while. Put that there. Oh yeah, plastic piece here goes in between the fender and the front end. Anybody's taking one of these out, you know what it is. And another brace. Wait a minute. What the hell is this one then? Oh, okay. So this one comes off the frame, and then this is the supplementary brace. Okay. I think we got it. We got it. Yeah, we got it. Okay. Alright, we got it figured out now. Wow, bro, I'll tell you what, there's a lot of damn parts. Damn. Alright, this goes on the front end this actually goes on the driver's side. I think I broke it going up the ramps. It's just a deflector. That's another thing I can't use until the front end's on the car. By the way, the bumper, and I think he said both grills, and my SS emblem won't be in until Wednesday or Thursday of next week, man. Can you believe that? Damn. Guess the dealers don't have to pay for shipping, so they must send it on the slowest boat ever. Man, I need a razor blade. This shit's taking too long. Alright, we got it. They use this tape with the thread in it. Yeah, shit's impossible. Alright, so this goes on to the front end of the car. That's where the daytime running light will be, right here. Alright. Another piece I can't use for a little bit, but we got it. It's good. Oh, look at that. Whoa, wait a minute. Wait a fucking minute. Ah, that's the radiator. I didn't realize the angle pieces are separate. Look at that. Damn. Well, I guess I'll have to order those. Because I'm not even going to try to. Remember, one's destroyed and the other one's on here, but I don't know even about how you... Oh, there's a clip. Well, hey, I'm going to need at least one then. Wow. Lesson learned: if you're doing a radiator on an auxiliary radiator on a Camaro, they don't come with the fittings. Oh, that's a bummer. Oh, look at that baby. There's the daytime running light. Look at that thing, it's got a ballast on it. That's how much power. Everybody thinks LEDs are like draw no power and they're so easy. But honestly, they do draw because they have ballast. Wow. Alright. Looking good so far. Good. So, I won't be able to get the car running this weekend. That radiator piece. And then it's Veterans Day over the weekend. Oh, look at that. There's a styrofoam piece that goes in the behind the bumper. Okay. Oh. My guess is this other piece is the plastic piece that goes back behind there. Yep, that's what it is. So you can actually see these parts through the grill if you look at a 50. Maybe all Camaros, I don't know. Maybe it's just a 50 the way the grill is. You can see those parts. Very good. Don't need it until front end's painted. Alright guys, I think this is one part I really want, other than just getting my whole car back together. And you take a guess what it's gonna be. Damn, wow. Holy smokes. Bum, bum, bum. Oh God, yeah. Give you a hint. There's two ballasts. There you go. One. GM Camaro headlight. Look at how beautiful it is. Tell you what, man, this thing's got some weight to it. Wow! So, there you have it. That's all the parts. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do, because without those pieces on the radiator, I don't know if I can really, I don't know if I can snap those on after, and I don't want to put together a whole bunch of stuff, but we'll see. But there you go, that's the parts list so far. So I'm missing the SS emblem that goes in the grill, the upper and lower grill for the 50, and the entire bumper cover. And I believe that's it. That's all I should need. And then the only thing I'll need to do is order the fitting for the thing. Unless, what's the chance a local parts store actually has that? Probably slim and none, but I'll try. Well, guys, I don't know what's up with this Hero 7. I don't know how much it recorded. I made sure it was on record, and it stopped recording. This is really just getting old. This camera's going back. I mean, come on, GoPro. This is your flagship camera now. The 7 Black, right? So, I'm going to just recap then. And I won't use this camera anymore. But I put this brace on first. The horns here had to be remounted in position according with the instructions of ProMaster, or not Procharger. So I went ahead and did that. Got the horn switched around and remounted, and that completes the front of the car. Next, I went ahead and mounted the auxiliary cooler bracket right here for the radiator, and then I put in the air duct here for the brake. So air comes in through here, shoots out here, hits that, and goes on the rotor. And then I put on this bracket here, which goes to the frame. And then there's a angular support bracket that goes here that gives it a little support. And the fender will bolt on here, and also a mounting point for the headlight, which I put in, which is oh so beautiful. I don't even know if I want to unwrap it yet. But I'm going to leave it covered for now because I got to take it back off, I think. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful, isn't it? No, I don't have to take it back off. Yeah, let's... Oh god, I just want to see this beauty. Oh god, guys, look at that. So, one harness is destroyed, and I know this is the HID part, but one works. Is probably going to be just that turn signal there. So let's see. Wow, nothing lights up. That's not good.